You will be amazed by this 2020 INFINITI QX60. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a premium SUV that was designed with your family's comfort in mind. Presenting the QX60. Spacious 3-row seating, a peaceful cabin loaded with desirable amenities, ample cargo space, and of course, advanced safety tech infuses every journey with confidence and relaxation. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, fog lamps, power driver seat, dual zone AC. Feel eager for road trip adventures in this superbly crafted QX60. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.